Star Suppliers, raising fisheries standards. Star Suppliers is a leading player in the aquaculture industry, specializing in the business of aquaculture cage with modern techniques. Our goal is to aid and empower fishermen by providing them with the necessary infrastructure and tools to culture and cultivate fish effectively. We leverage innovative technologies and techniques to maximize profitability and guide fishermen how to take advantage of fisheries department subsidies. Founded in 2016, Star Suppliers started as a small-scale venture operating from home. However, relentless efforts and positive influence, our business has experienced significant growth and achieved corporate-level status by 2022. Today, we have expanded our presence across India and have two subsidiary firms, Star Fisheries, which deals with fish seeds and fish sales, and Star Feeds, which specializes in fish feed supply. At Star Supplies, we take pride in providing top-notch infrastructure for aquaculture operations. We manufacture floating docks, pontoons using high-quality HDPE granules that exhibit durability, corrosion resistance, and long life. Our HDPE fish cage nets are sourced from garware technical fibers, renowned for their quality and reliability. These nets are designed to withstand harsh environments while ensuring optimal conditions for fish cultivation. In addition to freshwater aquaculture cages installed in various dams across Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Goa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha regions, we also specialize in the construction and installation of Mariculture Cages, circular cages. With our high-quality products and dedication to customer satisfaction, we aim to be the go-to choose for fish farmers seeking growth and profitability in their ventures. Star Suppliers is the only company who has taken initiative to install 20 by 20 by 7 meter aquaculture cage in India and cultured species like IMC, rohu catla and common carp. At Star Suppliers, our mission is to provide ethical and genuine services to farmers, helping them improve their productivity and achieve higher production rates. At Star Suppliers, our vision is to become synonymous with aquaculture farming in India by 2023, spreading our services throughout the country. Our objective is to increase profitability, boost productivity, enhance customer service and experience, lower employee turnover, and promote a positive corporate culture. We strive to reach more of the right customers and offer solutions that meet their specific needs. With a commitment to excellence, integrity, and customer satisfaction, Star Supplies is your trusted partner for all your aquaculture farming requirements. We work together towards revolutionizing the industry and making a significant impact on the agricultural sector in India. Thank you